If you are wondering how to fix Ghost Touch on Android phone, this guide will help. We will provide 9 actionable methods to effectively fix Ghost Touch on your Android device. You can follow the steps in order to troubleshoot and fix Android Ghost Touch, avoiding unnecessary complicated operations. Solution 1. Clean and check the screen. Ghost Touch is often caused by a dirty, damp, or damaged screen. Clean it gently with a dry microfiber cloth and check for cracks or scratches, as physical damage may require repair. Solution 2. Take off screen protector. Tight cases or poorly fitting screen protectors can cause ghost touches. Removing them temporarily can help identify the problem, and replacing with a thin, well-fitted protector usually fixes it. Solution 3. Restart Android. Ghost touch issues are often caused by temporary glitches or cache data. A force restart holding the power and volume down buttons for 10-15 seconds refreshes the touch screen and clears stuck processes, usually resolving the problem. Solution 4. Adjust touch sensitivity. Most Android phones let you adjust touch sensitivity. High sensitivity or glove mode makes screens overly sensitive, causing false touches. To fix this, go to Settings, Display Touch Sensitivity, and turn off High Sensitivity or reset touch settings to default. Solution 5. Check for software glitches. Persistent ghost touch may be caused by third-party apps or cache data. To check, enter Safe Mode, long press Power Off to disable all third-party apps. If the issue stops, uninstall suspicious apps one by one, especially cleaners, floating window, or modified apps. Regularly clear system cache via Settings, Storage Cache Data to prevent problems. Solution 6. Update Android system. Outdated phone systems can cause ghost touch due to bugs and compatibility issues. To fix this, check for official updates in Settings, System Update, and install the latest stable version. Solution 7. Use a system repair tool. For serious system-level issues, professional tools like Android Repair can fix problems such as ghost touch from glitches or corrupted firmware. No technical skills or root access needed. Step 1. Open Android Repair on your computer. On the main screen, click System Repair, then select Android Repair to continue. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Once the software detects your device, click Repair Now. Step 3. Enter the correct device information, including brand, model, region, and carrier if required, then click Start. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to boot your device into download mode on certain devices. Step 5. After entering the required mode, the program will automatically download the firmware and repair your system. When finished, your device will reboot, and ghost touch or other touch-related glitches should be resolved. Solution 8. Factory reset phone. For persistent software-related ghost touch, a factory reset can fix the issue by restoring your phone to its original settings. Back up your data first, then go to Settings, System Reset, Options, Factory Data Reset to reset the device. Solution 9. Seek professional repair. If ghost touch continues after software fixes, it's likely hardware-related, such as a damaged digitizer, loose wiring, or water or pressure damage. Avoid self-repair. Professional technicians can inspect and usually fix it by replacing the screen. For older phones, replacement may be more cost-effective.